All right, so this walkthrough is about the pre-listing form. All the pre-listing form does is it gets you ready to be able to go sell your property and gives you a project inside of Asana. It sends our little minions tasks to be able to do, to be ready for photos to go in. It also makes the property pages inside of our website. So if you're going to do this and you've got a listing that you want to do, you go to pre-listing-form. I know it's really hard to find out. You type in the address of what it is. All right. Seller information. The reason why it's doing this is putting it inside of your Asana task. And that way you've got more information. It is required. So let's go with Daffy Duck and Donald Duck. Now, if you noticed, it actually adds the seller's email as a required field right then. Why does it do that? Again, it's going to make your life a hell of a lot easier. Listing price, don't put 0. Go ahead and know what you got going on. Expiration date, it's going to make you a calendar event. So you've got all that ready to go. Bedrooms and bath, again, don't just guess off of it because this is making stuff on our website. So if you put that it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath, then on our website, it's going to say it's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. Put in your info right here. It's going to help you a lot on the back side of this. So listing date, what time it's going to be listed. Again, helps the minions, helps you. Lockbox, that way you know what the lockbox code is. I know what the lockbox code is, and we go from there. The lockbox number for Mantle, this is the number inside of the lockbox. So don't put NA, don't put I don't know, IDK. Please put the right thing. That way I can track where my lockboxes are, and we can go from there. I'm not trying to do check-in and check-out. All right, and then this right here is photographer. Who's your photographer? So you want to ask Marco to do stuff, you could go ahead and put Marco's information as your preferred photographer, and it would show up right here. Matterport, if somebody else is doing the Matterport. So if you needed one of our agents to go out there and do it. The drone, it actually, exact same situation. Do you need postcards? This tells the minions to go make you postcards. How many postcards you want, what information that you want on it. And then you have to get the address list. If you don't know how to get the address list, go look at our other walkthroughs off of that to show you how to pull up an address list inside of the MLS and using the tax search. We have that already done for you, and we can put that in the comments below here. Are you using a transaction coordinator? Yes or no? So Tiffany right here, info for her. So if you want to put old lady doesn't want to be emailed or text, only wants phone calls for updates, you could put that in right here. Where the lead came from, all that fun stuff is all right here. Once you hit submit, what it does is it actually makes you an Asana board automatically. You don't even have to worry about the rest of it. All right, so the Asana board looks something like this. So this is one that we've got. So it sends you an Asana task of everything that you need to get done at some point. So put out signs, lock boxes, arrows. Are your postcards printed? Are the postcards mailed? Make the web page live. This is all stuff that's made for D and the rest of the minions so they can know what's going on. Under contract, what you need to send, be able to have get done when your due diligence ends. It would show up right then. Other things would be picking up the lock boxes, sending closing instructions, reminders, things like that. So we already have the emails like literally sitting right here waiting for you to use. One thing you'd have to do is copy and paste. Make sure it's all relatable to your client. So like, for example, if you put, please transfer the water, gas, electric, propane, cable, satellite, etc. Well, if they don't have gas and they don't have water because they're on a well, then you just look like an asshole for sending a generic email out. So some of the stuff, yes, like garage door openers. A lot of houses don't have garage door openers. Make sure that you read them first, but it's all in there. This is what we're working on so far. There'll be other activities we add later on that in here, like asking for reviews from your clients and a couple of tweaks and changes. So if something changes a little bit inside of the Asana board, that's the reason why. But if you have any questions on this form, let me know.